Anyhow, all Atma Jyotis, divine light of the self. I welcome one and all for today's storytelling session. Before that, let us pray to God in you and me. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha, Hari Om. Once there lived a ashram. In that ashram, so many students were studying. So among that student, one student named Yogeshwar, he was very intelligent boy. So all the children, they were very jealous of this boy. Guruji liked this Yogeshwar very much. Whatever work Guruji told him, this boy used to do sincerely. So one day what happened, all the children, all the students, they went and asked Guruji, why you love Yogeshwar so much, Guruji? Why not us? So Guruji told, okay, I will keep one test for all of you. Whoever get pass in this test, with that we will you will come to know why I love Yogeshwar. So Guruji what he did, he gave brass bowl to each student. The brass bowl was very dirty from outside, and he asked each student, you clean this bowl and bring tomorrow. So all the children they bought their bowl tomorrow. Tomorrow everybody's bowl. It was very shining from outside. But inside they didn't clean it properly. But Yogeshwar's bowl was medium. He cleaned both inside and outside. So Guruji asked, okay, you fetch and bring water in all your bowls. So all the students, they filled their bowls with water. They came to Guruji. So Guruji examined everybody's bowl. So everybody's bowl was very shining from outside, but inside it was very dirty. But Yogeshwar bowl was very clean inside. The water was very crystal clear. So Guruji showed this bowl to everyone. So what is the moral of this story, children? Always we should be pure from inside. Don't judge the book by his cover. So don't give importance to physical appearances. Keep yourself pure from inside. Okay, one more story. In this story, Guru and Shishya, they were walking inside a forest. So after reaching their destination, the Guru was feeling very thirsty. So he asked the Shishya, you go and bring some water. I could be able to hear some water sound. You go this way, you will get water. So the Shishya went. While going also, the forests were full of trees. He was enjoying this nature. He enjoyed the nature. So slowly he was approaching the river. From far away, he could see the river was very clear. The water is very clear. So he thought, okay, I will drink. First I will drink water, then I will fetch water for Guruji. So what he did, okay, while going, what happened? A bullock cart full of loads came across that river. So now the river was very muddy. All the water got very muddy. Now he was very upset. He came back. So Guruji asked, what happened? Why you didn't brought water? He told Guruji, while I was going, the river was still, but in the meanwhile, a bullock cart came and the water was very muddy. So we can't drink muddy water, no Guruji. That's why I came back. So Guruji told, okay, you might have waited there only. So what is the power of water? Whatever you put in this water, after some time if the water gets settled, the water will be clear. So again he went to fetch water. Now the river was very settled. All the water was settled. Mud was settled. Now the water is very clear. So he came with water. So what is the moral of this story, children? Guruji told, you might have waited. You should have patience. Whatever work we will do, we should have patience. Then only we will get good results. Okay, hope you like this stories, children. Before that, let us do end prayer. असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतंगमय। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम।